Welcome back my YouTube channel TopCarsTv. A new era of mobile luxury is here with the latest high-end motorhome that redefines comfort on wheels. With 6 spacious beds and a massive shower area, this motorhome blends the freedom of the open road with the plush amenities of a 5-star hotel. For travel enthusiasts, large families, or retirees seeking a stylish RV lifestyle, this is a game changer. From the moment you lay eyes on this motorhome, it commands attention. The bumper side and rear design are bold yet elegant, with sharp lines and premium finishes that reflect its luxury status. LED tail lights and sleek accents give it a futuristic vibe, while the smooth exterior is not only beautiful but also aerodynamic for better fuel efficiency. Whether you're pulling into an RV park or parking near a scenic cliffside, this vehicle makes a strong impression. Step inside, and you'll be amazed by the sheer space. Despite being a mobile home, the interior feels more like a high-end apartment. The 6-bed configuration is ideal for families or group travelers. These aren't cramped sleeping quarters, either. Each bed is generously sized, well cushioned, and designed for restful sleep, even during long hauls. The clever use of slide-outs maximizes space, ensuring that everyone has room to relax without feeling confined. The star feature of this motorhome has to be the massive shower. Gone are the days of cramped, plastic-walled RV showers. This bathroom boasts a full standing shower with luxurious tilework, high water pressure, and even mood lighting. Whether you're rinsing off after a hike or just enjoying a long hot shower on a cold night, it's an experience far above typical RV standards. Functionality hasn't been sacrificed for luxury. The kitchen area includes a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, microwave, and ample storage. Solid countertops and smart cabinetry reflect thoughtful design, while the living area features a plush sofa, built-in entertainment system, and climate control for year-round comfort. There's even a dinette area that converts easily for extra sleeping or lounging space. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel TopCarsTv. Launched recently in 2025. This motorhome has already made waves in the RV community. It combines advanced technology with real-world usability. Touchscreen panels control lighting, temperature, and water levels. Solar panels on the roof provide extra power, while a quiet onboard generator ensures you're never out of juice or even off-grid. As for the price, this luxury doesn't come cheap, but it offers tremendous value for what it includes. The base model starts around $260,000, with fully loaded versions going up to $325,000 depending on the customization options. For many, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in a new lifestyle. With powerful engineering under the hood and a high-end finish throughout, this motorhome is built for those who demand more from life on the road. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving sanctuary, offering space, style, and sophistication wherever you go.